After leaving the eventful and successful year as pandemic recovery, Airbus now facing staggering backlog of A320neo. Will this affect A350 production and A330neo? Well, no. Since production line of A380 being shut down, the facility will use to produce A320neo and increasing their output gradually. What we can hope from A350 and A330neo? A350 production really satisfied airlines with the end of 2022. They able to sold more than 10 aircraft, and hopefully Airbus able to do 10 aircraft per month. That is for their flagship product since 2023. A330neo only sold 2 in a month, combining per sales. Hopefully they able to do 10 per month, because Virgin Atlantic and Cebu Pacific desperately need them to replace aging A330.